In this video, I'm going to show you 10 Photoshop keyboard shortcuts that will make your work go way faster.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. As always, stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. Alright, keyboard shortcuts, as you know, will make your work go faster. With this in mind, I'm going to run through my 10 favorite Photoshop keyboard shortcuts. Let's go. I'm working in Photoshop 23.1.1, so if yours is older or newer, it may look slightly different. 1. Zoom in or out. Hands down, this is my favorite, so let's start here. Command +++ to zoom in on a Mac, or use Control on a PC. Command --- to zoom out on a Mac, or use Control on a PC. 2. Fit on screen. So after you've zoomed in with all that Command +++ing, you're gonna need to fit that image back on your screen again by hitting Command 0 on a Mac or Control 0 on a PC. 3. Toggle between screen modes. Say you want to take a look at your image with a black background, or maybe look at it full screen with your tab still visible. You'll need to toggle between screen modes by just hitting the letter F on both Mac and PC. 4. Increase/decrease brush size. Another one of my favorites. If you're using a brush and you want to make it larger or smaller, do this by hitting the right or left brackets on both a Mac and a PC. 5. Increase/decrease brush hardness. Okay, so now you know how to increase/decrease the brush size, you should also know about the increase/decrease brush hardness shortcuts. They're the same keys, the brackets, but hit Shift while you're pressing them on both a Mac and a PC. 6. Close everything but the file you're working on. This is another one that's super useful. Got a ton of stuff open and you want to quickly close everything but the file that you're working on? Command Option P on a Mac, Control Alt P on a PC. Boom, done. 7. Adjust color balance. Need to quickly adjust your color balance? Command B on a Mac, Control B on a PC. Just remember the B for balance. 8. Adjust hue/saturation. How about the hue or saturation? Command U on a Mac, Control U on a PC. Just remember the U for hue, I guess? 9. Change image size. I use this one every single week when I do my thumbnails. Command Option I on a Mac, Control Alt I on a PC. Adjust and done. 10. Adjust your text size. This is a good one that lets you change the font size in small increments. And it's good because you can just stop hitting the keys when it looks right to you. First, select your text, then make the font size larger or smaller by hitting Command Shift and the greater than or less than bracket on a Mac, or Control Shift greater than or less than bracket on a PC. Alright, those are my 10 favorite Photoshop shortcuts. Start using them now and they'll be like second nature in no time. Alright, as promised, here's the tip. There are tons of keyboard shortcuts in Photoshop. So what's a good way to learn them when you're just starting out? Print them out and hang them by your workstation. That's how. By going to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, and hitting Summarize. Hit OK, then print them out. And then all you gotta do is look up at that paper until your favorites are committed to memory. Sweet. Alright, as always, if you found any of this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted, and I will catch you next time.